Hello everyone, today we have a ChoroQ Kodawari No7. It's the Nissan Silvia S15. This is from 2002, this series of ChoroQs. They all come in this same blister pack. They all have printed on windshield wiper blades and like registration tags. And I guess that's pretty much what makes them different from other ChoroQs. So much tape on this thing. Alright, let's get that, free that thing. I couldn't find any stock side views of this S15, but looks like the front 3/4 view is looking right. It's got 5 spokes. This one has a wing and some aftermarket wheels, but I think the rest of it looks normal. And here's a stock rear view with some mesh wheels, it looks like. Alright, looking pretty good so far. We have a nice, looks like a silver paint here. And there's an R printed there. It's actually, is there more? Is that type R? No, just an R. Okay, I'm not aware of that being on a car. Right, there's a grille texture here. No texture here, but all black. And I think there's a, no, that's just a deep crevice, so it looks black, but it's actually just a deeply molded gap for the grille area. This clear plastic is the same plastic as the windshield. There's that printed stuff that I guess makes it a Kodawari. And then this side we have another R, but wait a sec, now it looks like there is more text. Something, I can't make it out because it's silver on spec R. Alright. Did I not? No, it is on this side. It's just certain lights. You can't see it. It just vanishes. Silver on silver. Alright, you can see a tiny door handle here. And then the taillights are pretty nicely done. I mean, it's black, and then you got 2 colors on top of it, so no complaints there. And then it's got 2 little exhaust tips stuck to the base here. There's the date of manufacture, and then you can see the clear plastic. So let's get this guy apart, and we're going to swap over some wheels. These are just a standard ChoroQ 5 spokes. I think if there's a little black paint, the 5 spokes aren't bad. It's just that I don't want all my models to have the same wheels. Alright. So I got to get a motor here that has the axle removed. Doesn't want to get in there. I wonder if there's a production tolerance. It's just a really tight fit there. There's a clear body painted inside view. Alright, so today, I don't know where these wheels came from. They're either Hot Wheels or Majorette or Matchbox or something. And I went and painted the inside gold, and then I used alcohol and a Q-tip to remove the edge, because the edge came chromed from whoever made these things. You can actually see the backside here. It's actually a chrome wheel. Maybe it's like a Hot Wheels premium wheel, I don't know. I like the contrast of the gold wheels on the silver body, so that's why I switched it over. Okay, no steering or crazy camera on that. Let's adjust that with the putty there. Alright. So I do have a 1/64 scale S15 Silvia by BM Creations. Oh, and coincidentally, yes, it does actually say Spec R on the side there. So I guess that is accurate on ChoroQ's part. This BM Creations has the lowered stance and the aftermarket wheels that came with it. Here's a ChoroQ Silvia, but it's a racing version. It's got a racing livery and wing, but the taillights simply aren't as good. But obviously there's a lot of printing elsewhere. Here's a classic Silvia. It's a Silvia 1800 LSX. This toy is from 2004, and I have some alloy wheels swapped in there. And that racing one has one wiper blade. It's interesting. Alright. So we'll have R2-D2 driving this thing. So, it's a cool looking car. I like the Nissan Silvias, any generation of them. And I'm glad I got this one, and now that it's got some gold wheels, I like it a lot more. Alright, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.